The nominees are Dirty Linen, Can't Buy Me Love, Senior High, Maging Sino Ka Man, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, and Black Rider.
The VP Choice Award goes to Can't Buy Me Love. Congratulations.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Vibree. I play the role of Dara.
And I'm Gucci. I'm Karina Bautista. Good evening, everyone. In behalf of Can't Buy Me Love and Direct Me and Star Cinema and Star Creatives, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming show.
Yan. Thank you everybody sa lahat po ng mga bumoto, sa lahat po ng judges. Maraming salamat po. Village People Choice Awards. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Congratulations to all our awardees. Grabe partner, there you have it. We are almost halfway through the conclusion of tonight's reveal of winners. Pinulit mo yun?
That is right. But before that, of course, let's thank our dear sponsors again. The 5th BPCA Choice or the 5th BP Choice Awards. Lead presenter is Bingo Plus, co-presented by Fleet Philippines and Converge Business and Solutions.
Together with our sponsors, JNT Express, Varia Health.
The Creveres family, because they care for me so much. I would also like to thank my mom, my family, my friends, my loved ones. Maraming pong salamat. And of course, I also want to inspire all the youth out there, lalo na ngayon, nagaganap po ang Pinoy Big Brother auditions namin. So to have that and this na magsabay is truly humbling and it reminds me of where I came from. Kaya naman, this is proof that dreams really do come true. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Supporting Actor. Faith De Silva for Maging Sino Ka Man. Cyril Manabat for Senior High. Vibree Esplito for Can't Buy Me Love. Kyla Estrada for Can't Buy Me Love. Rabia Mateo for Royal Blood. And Kazel Kinochi for Abot Kamay na Pangalan.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Vibree Esplito. Congratulations!
Thank you so much po. Hi, good evening po ulit sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Vibree. First of all, I'd like to thank VP Choice Awards for the privilege to be nominated as Best Supporting Actress of the Year. To be honest with you guys, I still feel na marami pa akong kailangan matutunan. I still need a lot to improve on to be deserving of this award. But this will be a reminder for me to work hard and mas mag-improve pa, mas pagbutihan ko pa yung craft ko, which is acting. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakatrabaho ko sa industriya simula 2016, sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa akin at patuloy na nagtitiwala hanggang ngayon. From PBB, sa aking Star Magic family, Rise Artist Studio family, at sa buong ABS-CBN family ko. And of course, to my family, to my friends, especially to my supporters who made this possible. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. This one's for you. To God be all the glory. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
The VP Choice Awards for Breakthrough Star of the Year goes to the people's favorite star for demonstrating exceptional acting skills in a role that received praise from both critics and viewers alike and has sparked conversations owing to an outstanding performance.
And the nominees are Kyla Estrada for Linlang, Maris Racal for Can't Buy Me Love, Cyril Manabag for Dirty Linen, Miggy Jimenez for Senior High, and Zaijan Haranilla for Senior High.
The VP Choice Award goes to Maris Racal. Congratulations.
Hi everyone! First, I would like to thank Village people for the recognition and for choosing me as this year's Breakthrough Star. Playing Irene Chu for 8 months was such a joy. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Thank you, of course, to Star Creatives and Netflix for allowing me to give life kay Irene Chu. And of course, thank you po sa lahat ng mga fans for all of the love and support that I got. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal. Once again, thank you.
Congratulations, Maris. Radio shows and movie projects and have become the talk of the town due to their natural chemistry, both on screen and off screen.
The nominees are Francine Diaz and Seth Fedeli, Francel. Barbie Forteza and David Licauco, Barda. Carrie Oinuma and Jeremiah Lisbo, Kaunia. KD Estrada and Alexa Ilacat, KD Lex. Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano, Donda. Jillian Ward and Jeff Moses, Jillian.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Don Bell. Congratulations!
Hello po, VP Choice Awards. Thank you again for this Love Team of the Year award. Of course, I share this alongside Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumoto, to all our supporters, all the judges, just everyone who consists of the VP Choice Awards. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.
Hello guys! Good evening! Love Team of the Year! Siyempre, unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat kay Donnie. Thank you so much. And it's always a pleasure working with you. And to everyone that supported Don Bell, sa lahat ng Bubblies, Don Bell, maraming salamat po. We dedicate this award to you guys and we love you.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actor of the Year for Donnie Pangilinan. Congratulations.
Hello po, VP Choice Awards night. Maraming salamat po for this award, TV Actor of the Year. Sorry I can't be there right now, meron po kaming shoot ngayon, pero maraming salamat for all the support throughout these years, and I dedicate this as well to all the supporters of Can't Buy Me Love and everyone who voted. Maraming salamat, and hope to see you guys very soon. Thanks guys, bye.
Goes to the people's favorite actress who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a primetime television series while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Barbie Forteza for Maging Sino Ka Man, Andrea Brillantes for Senior High, Sanya Lopez for Mga Lihim ni Ugduha, Francine Diaz for Dirty Linen, Jody Santa Maria for Unbreak My Heart, and Bel Mariano for Can't Buy Me Love.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Bel Mariano. Congratulations!
Good evening, everyone. This is Bel Mariano. Sorry I can't be there with you right now, but I'd like to thank VP Choice Awards for recognizing me as the Actress of the Year for Can't Buy Me Love. Wow, ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan. Siyempre, yung aking pamilya sa Can't Buy Me Love, to our directors, the production, the cast of Can't Buy Me Love, and my love team, thank you so much. And of course, to everyone that supported and showed their love sa Can't Buy Me Love, maraming salamat. I share this recognition with you guys and sa lahat ng bumoto at nagpuyat para sa inyo po.